Cheese has been a staple food in the human diet since times immemorial. And of course we're gonna smoke it.
First, let's prepare a few briquettes. I have a couple of tumbleweeds here ready in the bottom of a grill. Just gonna add, I don't know how many I'm gonna put, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't really matter, just as long as I can cover them so they get a good light. When we put them in the other smoker, we're only gonna use maybe 2 or 3 of them at a time. So let's get this lit. And now we just let them become all white and nice and hot. For our cheeses, we have chosen 3 levels of Gruyere. This is soft, medium matured, and hard. So we're gonna try to see how they turn out. Actually, we know they turn out good. The experiment is the feta. We're gonna try the feta, obviously, we have to do that. So onto our smoke tray here with the soft, medium, and the hard. And then we take our feta, and then we get that straight on top of our bullet smoker, like this. So we have airflow all around. And now we're gonna prepare our smoke box. So we are using a stainless steel smoke box for this. And we're gonna take a couple of these briquettes that we prepared before. Let me do 3 here, I would say. And then we fill it up with applewood chips that has soaked in water for half an hour.
Why did you soak them in the water?
So they give good smoke, so they don't burn, but gives smoke instead. I want them just to smolder. I don't want them to, and you see they start
They're
smoking.
already smoking, yeah.
And then we leave this a little bit open, like this. And then we put that in our bullet smoker in the bottom, like that. And now it will smoke away there. We have a heat deflector, a plancha in the middle here, so we don't get too much temperature up here. We want to keep the temperature on the top tier here around 25 degrees, not warmer, 27 maybe, but above that, then it will start melting the cheese. We've been smoking for 3 hours, so let's have a look, see how they're doing. They look good. Getting some color here, definitely. I think we're going to pull these now because we don't want to go too heavy on the smoked flavor. You can take these 8 hours, 10 hours, even 12 if you want to, depending how intense you want them to be. But these, they look good to me. Let them cool down a bit and then we're gonna give them a taste. Well, the smoke flavor is profound.
Yeah, the whole veranda smells.
Absolutely. I'm trying the feta first because that was the experiment and I'm curious to taste how that went and how that became actually. That's interesting.
Is it good?
No, it is good. It's good. It has a nice smoke flavor. It's not too much. It didn't go too long, you know, that it's like overly smoky. But it's interesting. Let me try the Gruyere, and this is the old one, the one that's most matured. But that's a classic. I mean, we know that's good, but that is just excellent. I mean, smoked Riviera, smoked Gruyere, for you guys who's not in Greece, it's perfect. You should try this. Cold smoking cheese is really, really interesting.